Hello. I thought of doing something different this week. I was recording clay charms and clay magnets for many weeks. But this video is about painting. This is a 9th generation iPad and I am using Procreate in it. I enjoy using it as a sketchbook. The page assist feature, which is normally used for animation or for tracing maybe, I use it and call them sketchbooks. It's not my original idea. I saw someone else doing this way and I have printed one sketchbook. This is my own idea. I like physical feel of my drawings and I want to print all of my sketchbooks soon. This is a current sketchbook. You can find page assist under actions and canvas. Toggle it on to use it. If you turn it off, all the layers are seen, but with it on, it shows one selected layer at a time without manually deselecting other layers. And we can also keep a background layer for all other layers. Just keep it first in this scroller and you will see an option for background. If not on, it acts as a separate layer. Nowadays, I am using Procreate to plan my clay charms and magnets. I draw and decide colors here, which makes it easier to actually make the clay work. This is a charm which has come to reality. And this is one more. It needs more iterations actually. I have saved some paper textures to use as a background. There are many unfinished paintings in here. I don't know when I will finish them. I also sketch in a physical sketchbook and transfer it into Procreate. Or I also work on loose sheets. This is one example of it. So let's see what we can do today. I will use old sketches or else the video will be very long. I have these landscape drawings. Got a new canvas. It is a square with 2048 pixels. Let's get one more drawing. I wanted to paint this one too. If you want to work in layers, you can do that in Page Assist. Just group the layers together and you can keep drawing and painting layers separate while working on the same painting. I will color this landscape first. I use only a few brushes in Procreate. Actually, only two most of the time. One is 6B pencil, which comes with Procreate, but I have changed some settings of it. And another is this watercolor marker, which I have made myself. There are these other brushes which I very rarely use, but they also have a wonderful texture. There is one more setting which actually elevated my experience of working digitally. It is this color dynamic setting. Change the hue percentage here, and with each stroke, the color changes slightly. You can keep it from 1% to 5%. Each brush would need different settings, and of course it depends on your preference. So I will fill the colors with this watercolor marker, if I am allowed. This brush gives beautiful texture. And after the colors are blocked, I use the 6B pencil to draw details and outlines. I also change the opacity of the outline layer and try out different blending modes. I feel this needs something more, so let's try adding a frame. Now let's work on this another sketch. I haven't talked about colors yet because I don't plan my colors much. I have saved a bunch of color schemes and use whichever color I need at that time. I do have my favorite colors and color schemes which I use frequently, like this bright blue and green color scheme and these greens. So I will fill the colors. The color dynamic setting works very well to paint the skin. Because of the varied colors that come with each stroke, it brings interest in the visual. I don't usually keep colors in separate layers unless the painting is very complex and has foreground, middle ground and background. Working in a single layer makes it more like a traditional painting but done digitally. So here is this painting complete for now. I might change the colors later, resting the painting for a few hours to some days is also a part of the process. Because I find mistakes in it and I am able to change them better as I get detached from it by then. This third page is actually how I paint in sketchbooks. It is trying out colors and layering ways, and I just erase and redo things over and over. I have done it in this way and painted every page in this sketchbook. I don't normally do that because I like drawing too much. So I had given myself a challenge to paint 25 or so pages in this sketchbook. And I learned a lot about colors at that time. So yeah, that is it for this video. This is how I make illustrations digitally in Procreate. I enjoyed the process. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful in any way. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.